So guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to block ads on Facebook. So just follow me step by step. If you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online and how to tutorials. So do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to block ads on Facebook, probably don't want to be seeing some ad on Facebook. So what you do is you just come to this hamburger icon up here. So once you click on that, then you come over to where you have setting and privacy. Can you see that? Then you click on setting. So once you click on setting right here, then over here you go to where you have account center. Do you see that? So click on account center. So once you click on account center, then you just scroll down till you find ad preferences. So click on ad preferences. Then right here you get to see some people's ads that you've been seeing in the past. It says advertisers you saw ads from. Can you see that? So click on see all. Once you click on see all, then you get to see all the ads you've seen in the past. Can you see all of them? So anyone you feel you don't want to be seen again, so just tap on it. Then right here you click on where you have hide ads. So assuming I don't want to see this particular person's ad again, I'll just click on hide ads right here. Can you see? It says you will not see any more ads from this advertiser. This may take up to 24 hours. So it means you have successfully hide this person's ads from showing on our timeline. I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.